For this process, we're going to be showing how to install the adapter for the AK-1 and the tools and running a file from DGSHAPE CAM. Abutment kit AK-1, mill custom titanium abutments. The process is simple. The AK-1 kit for the DWX-43W is already included, so need to purchase extra components. You will need a material adapter of your choice and the pre-milled titanium blanks. Connect the AK-1 material adapter no longer need to switch out your tray because the DWX-43W has everything that you need. Three types of special purpose milling burrs, specially engineered burrs. And through DGSHAPE CAM, run the files to complete the process.
Thank you again for joining us for this Tech Buzz Tip Tuesday. If you have suggestions for a future Tip Tuesday, please email us at dental@rolanddga.com.